The visit to Wairarapa Moana and Mangakino by Francisco Calisay, the UN Special Rapporteur for Indigenous Rights, has been a unique moment in our history. It was also extraordinarily valuable to invite and share this experience with the hapu and whānau of Rangitāne Tūmairā, Nai Tūmai Puhiarangi, Mangatuan Corporation, Pouakani Trust, and the Waikato River Claims Trust. These shared common experiences highlighted the shocking and shameful behaviour of the New Zealand government over many generations in trampling on our mana and our Indigenous rights under Te Treaty of Waitangi. The experiences described the serial behaviour of the Crown's numerous acts of broken promises, intentionally pursuing expensive litigation over decades, which very few Māori claimants can afford, in pursuing a just outcome. Claiming the use of Māori land and water rights for the benefit of the nation with little or no compensation or reparations, and Crown settlement policies heavily weighted in favour of the Crown that seeks to deny and minimise treaty settlements. All of these acts are contrary to Te Treaty and the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People. We all remain resolute in the pursuit of our claims and will continue to seek justice here in the New Zealand courts and, where necessary, the UN Forum, to achieve outcomes for our people and the return of our land. We are pleased that the UN Special Rapporteur has heard our voices, and he will now be giving serious consideration to the impact on our Indigenous rights under UN rules and conventions, and will advise of the next steps in the UN process.